Ever wonder what's lurking on your kitchen sponge? Stick around where I'll be showing you 4 quick and easy ways to clean and sanitize your kitchen sponge, and we're starting right now. First up is the microwave. Start by rinsing your sponge thoroughly to remove any food particles. Next, place the soaked wet sponge in a microwave-proof bowl. Then place it into the microwave and heat it on high for 1 to 2 minutes. Now this is going to kill most of the bacteria. Now be careful when you take it out of the microwave and allow for it to cool down, as it will be hot. Now once the sponge is cooled, give it a rinse, then leave it to air dry. Our next method is boiling water. Now bring a pot of boiling water to boil and then drop your sponge in. You'll need a spoon to submerge the sponge, as I'm doing here. Now add a lid and leave to boil for 5 minutes to disinfect thoroughly. Now once the water and the sponge are cooled, remove the sponge and give it a good rinse and wring it out and leave to air dry. We now have the vinegar soak. So soak your sponge in a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar for 5 minutes. Now vinegar's natural acidity helps kill bacteria, and it also deodorizes your sponge. Once the time's up, give that a rinse also and then leave it to air dry. Then we have the dishwasher. Place your sponge in the top rack of your dishwasher and run it through a hot cycle. Now this method tends to be very convenient if you're running a load anyway. Now remember to sanitize your sponges weekly and to replace your sponges every 3 to 4 weeks, even with regular cleaning. And for more kitchen cleaning tips, check out the next video coming up.